Today we'll be doing another coding map problem from Map-1 called mapAB3. The problem reads, modify and return the given map as follows. If exactly one of the keys A or B has a value in the map, but not both, set the other to have that same value in the map. So first, we're going to check whether the map contains A, but it cannot contain B as well. So and map does not contain B. We're going to put B into the map with the value of A. So map.put now we got to check for the opposite, where if the map contains B and it does not contain A, then we're going to put A in the map with the value of B. So if map.contains then we're going to put A into the map with the value of B. Return the map, give it a go, and it should work. Thank you for watching.